This video is about bees and honey. Right now it's springtime and I have an apple tree in my backyard that's blossoming. The apple blossoms attract bees. I loaded up my cameras and went out to Silverman's farm where the orchard is full of apple trees and blossom, and I took some great video of the bees buzzing around. I got the bees buzzing around visiting the apple blossoms, and I also got the bees coming and going from the hives. It's very interesting to watch. I try to make it a habit to eat a spoonful of honey every day for health benefits. Humans have been keeping beehives for thousands of years, but there's so much we still don't know about bees. Scientists believe bees have been around about 72 million years, and that's from evidence of bees trapped in amber. Bees have 3 body parts like other insects: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. And bees have hair on their body that assists them in carrying pollen. Bees have 4 wings, 2 antennae, 6 legs, and how many eyes? Well, they say 5 eyes. There's 2 huge compound eyes and then 3 little eyes called ocella, and those are basically just sensors of light. I'm not afraid of bees, but some people are. When I was working in the orchard a few years ago, I saw a little kid really crying and really upset, and I asked the mother what happened. I thought maybe this kid got stung by a bee, but the mother said, no, he saw a bee. Bees are not native to North America. When the settlers came here from Europe, they brought beehives with them. Thousands of bees live in a hive. This is where the eggs are laid. The lifespan of a bee can last about 6 weeks to 6 months depending on what time of the year they're born. The ones that are born in early spring and summer have a short lifespan, but the ones that are born near the end of the season, when it starts getting to be winter, those will stay alive until the next spring. Life for a bee begins as an egg laid by the queen. The next stage is a larva, and then a pupa, and then an adult. For worker bees, a 21 days lapse from the time the egg is laid until it emerges as an adult. The worker bee emerges as an adult, and for the next 3 days they perform menial labor, and they clean out their cell where they were living and make room for the next egg to be laid and life cycle to go again. The next step is when they're busy feeding the secretions from their head to other bees. And after that, that gland atrophies and they have a new phase of life when they secrete wax, which is used to build and repair the hive. The final stage is when they learn how to fly. At first, they just go on little trips around their hive and learn how to navigate, but for the rest of their life, they're going out foraging and bringing back pollen and water to the hive. Finally, their wings wear out and they die. The last few days I've been studying about bees. I went to the library and got a book about bees, and I've been looking up stuff on the internet, and it's so fascinating. And the more I learn, the more questions I have. So bees are a very interesting topic, and I think that I could make videos about bees that last 2 hours, and I could do weeks and weeks of videos, but I'm going to keep it short and wrap it up. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Tune in the future. I'm going to have more videos. And why don't you do me a favor and subscribe.